So we are broadly interested in how the human genome is connected to human neurodevelopment. We are particularly interested in certain regions of the genome that have expanded specifically in humans, and we like to understand how they influence human biology across scale, from chromosomal structure to the genes that they encode, as well as the macromolecular assemblies that these proteins are involved in, as well as the synaptic structures that these regions may influence. And then we also like to understand how structural changes in these regions give rise to uniquely human disease vulnerabilities. I think the goal of PhD training is to become an independent scientist and to become an independent thinker. So in the beginning, I would like for students to have a project that is practicable and feasible, such that they can gain momentum and develop technical expertise. And also while doing so, I very much encourage them to start developing their own ideas and also to work on projects that may answer questions that are adjacent to the central theme. In doing so, they may gain not just confidence and develop scientific abilities, but also I want them to develop a scientific identity of their own and have a taste for questions that they are truly interested and passionate about. PhD mentorship is multifaceted. Successful mentorship is multidimensional. One aspect is about helping the student to become an independent scientist, but it also involves helping the students develop things that they are good at, that their technical expertise, their competence, and their ability to communicate what they do to a broader audience. It's also about giving enough room for the student to find out what they are truly interested in and passionate about, and how the PhD will set them up for what they want to do after they graduate. Student progress is also multifaceted. So I think one of the most important criteria is helping the student develop skills in scientific reasoning and the ability to judge scientific questions, interpret results. So these technical aspects matter. And also a very important aspect is about communication, how to present your science to a broader audience. And that may include presentations, writing manuscripts, and also be able to connect the broader significance of the science that you do to the broader landscape of human knowledge. I think career development is a core part of mentorship, and I like to make sure that they are set up for whatever they are interested in. This is a process that we do together, so I want early on that we can do something to identify the core strength and interests of the student and see which career path that they are more leaning towards. And so, there's different developmental trajectories for depending on interest. So for example, if the students interested in academia, that want to make sure that we have opportunities for grantsmanship, mentoring opportunities, and then later on developing a unique scientific identity. If the student is more interested in other career paths such as industry, then we want to identify which skills are going to be transferable in the industry of interest, and we want to make sure that we build projects around those transferable skills, and then we want to introduce them to networks and career development opportunities such that they're well set on their path to becoming the person that they want to become by the time they graduate.